Hey everyone, and welcome back to Essentially Unique DIY, or hello if you're brand new to the channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We're going to be diving into the gorgeous world of perfumery, but with a little DIY twist. That's right, lovelies. Today we're going to learn how to create our very own natural perfumes right at home. Now, we all know how magical a beautiful scent can be, right? It can totally uplift your mood, evoke cherished memories, and even make you feel super confident and glamorous. But sometimes, those store-bought perfumes can be a tad overwhelming. And don't even get me started on all the long, complicated ingredient lists. That's why I thought it would be amazing to explore the world of natural perfumes and create our own unique blends using beautiful essential oils. It's such a fun and creative process. And the best part is, you're in complete control of what goes into your perfume. Plus, it's a fabulously eco-friendly alternative to conventional perfumes. So, are you ready to unleash your inner perfumer? I am. Let's get started. First up, we have the wonderful lavender essential oil. Honestly, is there anything more calming and soothing than the scent of lavender? I think not. It's like a warm hug for your senses. Lavender essential oil is well known for its relaxing properties. It's often used to promote sleep and ease anxiety. But beyond its calming benefits, lavender also happens to be an amazing base for perfumes. It's like the peacemaker of the essential oil world because it blends so beautifully with a wide range of other scents. Whether you want to add a touch of sweetness, a bit of spice, or something fresh and citrusy, lavender will complement it perfectly. Plus, it adds this gorgeous, subtle floral note to your perfume without being too overpowering. You know how some floral scents can be a little bit perfumey and strong? Lavender is definitely not like that. It's soft, delicate, and oh so lovely. Next up, we're diving into the romance and luxury of rose essential oil. I mean, is it even a perfume collection without a touch of rose? It's simply a classic for a reason. Rose essential oil has this incredible ability to transport you straight to a beautiful rose garden in full bloom. It's floral, it's sweet, it's slightly powdery, and it's just bursting with romance. No wonder it's been a staple in perfumes for centuries. And let's be honest, a little spritz of rose perfume can make you feel instantly more elegant and put together. One thing I absolutely adore about rose essential oil is that it comes in different varieties, each with its own unique aroma. You've got your classic rose, which is beautifully balanced. Then there's the more delicate and sweeter aroma of rose geranium, and even the deep, rich scent of Moroccan rose. Get ready to be transported to a warm summer night because it's time to talk about the intoxicating scent of jasmine essential oil. Oh my goodness, this one is a personal favorite. Jasmine is just pure magic in a bottle. It's exotic, it's sweet, it's floral, and it has this incredible ability to linger in the air, leaving behind the most gorgeous, subtle scent. It's no wonder that jasmine is considered one of the most precious and expensive essential oils in the world. It's often used in high-end perfumes to add a touch of luxury and sophistication. But don't worry, you don't have to break the bank to enjoy the beauty of jasmine in your DIY perfumes. A tiny drop of this potent oil goes a long way. Seriously, a little bit of jasmine is all you need to add a touch of glamour and intrigue to your perfume blends. It's simply divine. Next, we're moving on to something a little bit different. The warm, woodsy aroma of sandalwood essential oil. This is for those of you who adore earthy and grounding scents. Sandalwood essential oil is like the cozy cashmere sweater of the perfume world. It's warm, it's comforting, and it just makes you feel so grounded and relaxed. It has this beautiful woody aroma that's not too sweet and not too sharp. It's perfectly balanced. And one of the things I love most about sandalwood essential oil is that it's incredibly long-lasting. You know how some perfumes seem to disappear after a few hours? Well, sandalwood will stick around all day long, leaving behind the most subtle and alluring scent. It's the perfect base note for any perfume blend. Last but certainly not least, we have the refreshingly citrusy scent of bergamot essential oil. This one is for all my fellow citrus lovers out there. Bergamot essential oil is extracted from the rind of the bergamot orange, and it has this amazing ability to brighten up any perfume blend. It's citrusy, it's slightly sweet, and it has this uplifting quality that can instantly boost your mood. Think of it as sunshine in a bottle. Bergamot is often used in perfumes to add a touch of freshness and sparkle. It's particularly lovely when combined with floral scents, as it helps to cut through any heaviness and adds a bit of zest. And here's a fun fact for you. Bergamot essential oil is actually a key ingredient in Earl Grey tea. It's what gives that classic tea its unique citrusy aroma. And there you have it, my loves. 5 amazing essential oils that are perfect for creating your very own signature scents at home. I had so much fun sharing my love for natural perfumes with you all today. Remember, the beauty of DIY is that you can totally customize your blends to your liking. Don't be afraid to experiment with different essential oil combinations until you find your perfect match. You can create perfumes that are floral and romantic, fresh and citrusy, warm and woodsy, or anything in between. Now, I would absolutely love to hear from you. What are your favorite essential oil blends for perfumes? Have you ever tried making your own natural perfumes before? Let's chat in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY goodness, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.